What's up? What the heck? Oh man. I'll join this. 7 days. All right, what to do? What to do? I did a cool thing. Okay, this is 64 wide. What does the contract look like if it's 64 wide? Da, 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 da. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, new idea. We're gonna put flavor in here. So 64, well, okay, but 64 is not good enough. I probably need, is it 76? Is that what's next? 80. '80's fine. I can do 80. Yeah, I'm not bothered by that at all. Although I guess that's not the width of the thing. It would be 76 because it's whatever the internals are. Which I don't know why I thought that would be harder to do. Oh, is it time to whip out the banner again? Okay. So the basic one though, let's make this. Okay, so contracts. Let's pop this over here. And I should be able to do a little bit of this. Do that. Honestly, this one could be even smaller because I don't technically need that. Oh. Let's grab this. Because this is 12. So that's perfect. And we're going to put it in UI. I think this is also UI. Yep. And this is 2. Crops. Goes right there. Text. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to copy this. Put it right here. With 2 padding. 1 lower. UI. 1 lower. 1 padding. Or is it 2 padding? I think I should probably do 2 padding. This in text. Copy, paste. 2 padding. It's off center. Because this side is so much heavier than the other. Okay, text 1. A little bit lower. Let's go grab this. Go to UI, paste. Just 1 is good. Just like that. I think this needs to go down 1. Okay. Text. That crops this. Yeah, okay. I think I like this And I think what it's going to be is that every time you buy a new crop, it's going to add it to this list. Although I think I'm going to want it to sort. But yeah, it's actually, it feels it's off balance. Like what's the center of this? So this to here. This is 35 wide and the center is here. So I need all of this stuff to move over like 3 pixels. I'm going to go 2 pixels. Crops. 2. Text. 1, 2. Did I miss anything? No. It seems still off balance and now the other way. Is it this text? Does this text need to be over 1? Does that feel balanced? I kind of want to do some like embellishment on it. So let's go down 2. Crops. Down 2. UI. Down 2. Do a little bit of this in the contract. Do a little. How does that look? It's kind of fun. Maybe it's like this. We're just gonna undo. We'll just do basic stuff for now. We can move things later if I need to. Okay. So, what does this mean? I need this sprite. That didn't work. Because it's in UI. Holy crap. Let's put it over here. No, I'm not going to put it there because it's going to get moved because I'm probably going to add more to the contract thing. So we'll just add it, I don't know, here. Doesn't really matter. I think that's all I needed. I've got the rest. So now I need to know the size. So this guy gets placed. $24.13. Oh, although, okay, so this is 6. So it's actually 24.6. All right, let's see. Basic contract position. It should be 2-2. Shop item padding is 4. So that's not correct. We'll do const v2i. Nah, let's just do 2-2. 2-2. So that means like in the view, let's do white on, I don't know. Means the background is there. 2, 2. And then it also, like, I'm going to do essentially this on the inside as well. Contract padding. Crap. Okay, so we get the basic contract, which is the 0. Clause height is 12. That's true. Yo, what's up, Patrick? Clause padding is 1. Yep. Oh, except for I think I started doing 2, didn't I? Yeah. Everything is spaced by 2 now. Although the individual paddings are 1. Yes. Okay, that's correct. Oh, this is the one that I need to change. It is contract padding. How's it going, Monkey Software? I feel like I've seen you before. Welcome back. It's been a while. Finished World 1 gameplay for my game, so gonna need to spend potentially the next few days on art and music stuff. That's awesome. That is very awesome. Width. Except for how wide did I decide this is? It'll be 46. 46 wide. So I don't actually need this. Oh, no, I do. 46. Width. Oh, man. I'm tired today. Went to a concert last night. Got home super late. Woke up super early. Because that's just how my body works. I just wake up early now. Can't stop it. Okay, so we render the scaled sprite UI at this position with the internal width of that and the internal height of that, but it needs, clause start is 8. That is correct. And then you render the text bitmap, but it is centered, and I did not do the center correctly. Why? Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Close. I need y plus 4. Does my font here? Let's see. State. Pick serif font. It has what size? It's a float. What's a cent? So I could do descent minus ascent, and it would be the height of the font. Well, anyway. It's plus 4. Final answer. So if I do that, yeah. So that is spaced perfectly in there, although it's not really. Position X plus width divided by 2. That should be correct, but it seems like it needs more. Do I add a padding? Plus contract padding. Yeah, I do add a padding. Because, yeah, okay. Yeah, see, that seems a lot more centered. Now let's get these clauses in the right place. Okay. So position.y basic contract position, contract padding. Okay. So now position.y we'll also do position.x plus equals contract padding. Because they're all going to start, oh, except for they're not going to start 2 in. So it's really just the y that I need to keep track of, I think. Where is it? Let's do this. Because then I know I'm within this if I plus the contract padding. And then, so I'm like here with my cursor, and I need to draw the equal sign at 23.5. Const v2i equal position 23.5. And then I need to also make that sprite. Make sprite equal, and it is at 144.16, and then width is 3, height is 3, offset I'm going to do 0, 0. So let's do the equals. Render sprite, the buffer, do I have the atlas? No. State sprite atlas. The sprite is equal. Position is position plus equal position. Oh, except for I need to do whatever. It's the same thing. Position.x plus equal position.x. Position.y plus equal position.y. And for some reason this x is gone. Okay. Let's see how that worked. that might be wrong. Let's see. Like if I get rid of crops and text. Oh, it is pretty right aligned. Okay, let's just keep going. Crop. Oh, position X equals 0 is incorrect. Contract padding. Yes, because it's kind of like a cursor. Times 2. Render that sprite in there. Actually, I don't need to do this. We'll just put it up here. And then... So we render that sprite. Clause.countText.position equals that. This is right aligned. And so, I mean, I know the alignment. It's literally just... Does it go from the top is the question though. So I'm right here. Is it from the top? I don't remember how I wrote this. Position plus, and then I just go over here. And we do const int basic. Oh, and in fact, this one needs to be renamed. Okay, basic count position, I think is 7.3. Is that what I determined? 7.3. And this one, oh, not int, v2i. And then this one needs to be renamed to basic equal position, because it's going to be different in the dynamic one. Well, actually, no, it's not. It's not going to be different, but it's just going to be... Well, it's not going to be dynamic, but it is going to be different. Okay. Basic count position. So we got that. Let's draw it. Basic count position. Clause height plus clause padding, which should be 1. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Yo, what's up, Wesley Hemo? Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm tired today, so I apologize. Get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. I apologize for maybe being a little boring today, but I wanted to get some stuff done, and I like to do it on stream sometimes, so here we are. It'd be funny if we found out that you are the GTA leaker. I have not. I don't even. There's a GTA leaker. A new hacker group calling itself CyberLeak has initiated a massive string of Grand Theft Auto 6 gameplay leaks. Cool. It's a lazy Friday too. Nice. Okay, let's see if that works. Not quite. It seems like... Oh, did I not... I need to move the Y. Or is clause start incorrect? Let's see what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be, oh gosh. This, right? 9. Is that the only difference? Is it just 1 off? No, it's 2 off. Oh, it's because I'm going from here. So from here, it's supposed to be 10. GRD. Does that work? Yeah, that's better. All right. Do not watch those on stream. Rockstar will send Agent 47 to your house. True. True. You still hard coding stuff? Sure am. That's my way, apparently. Okay, so it should be position plus basic count position. Why? Basic contract position should be 2, 2. And then I add 10. I am realizing that like maybe part of the problem with this is that like it's kind of just the nature of a pixel game that's only 320 by 180 is that like you can be really precise with your UI. Okay, I need all of this stuff. We're going to steal that and we're going to plop it down in here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then mouse position. V2I mouse position equals this, I think. Or do I just do input state mouse dot? No, I don't. Okay, that should be good. That'll help me out. So this is 2, 2, yeah. Oh, you know what? I bet it's the base. I bet it's the base. That's the problem. Okay, so I'm here and I need to get down to here. That is 7, 9. So we do this 9. Actually, it probably would be 8. Yeah, that seems correct. All right. Rumors say the leaker is Indian and is a former employee. Oh snap. Oh snap. Yeah, I feel bad. I've played, I think, GTA 2. What was on the PS2? Or was it PS3? PS3. Which GTA was on PS3? Oh. So maybe I've played 4? That sounds right. Maybe I played 4? Yo, good morning. Yeah. Anyway, but I just played it on like my cousin's PlayStation. And so like that's about it. That's my extent of GTA. The leak is from Rockstar India. Ah, okay. So anyway, I'm like pretty out of the loop when it comes to GTA. Like I know that it's the most successful gaming franchise of all time. But it's not, yeah, it's not my kind of game, I guess. Although maybe it's because I haven't tried it. Okay, so now we need this to here. I think. Is that how I have it set up? Nope, offset 0. So I only need it to here. Which is 9. Const v2i basic tier position equals 9 0. So render sprite position x. Oh, so I can just do plus basic tier position. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Right, I'm not... I did that wrong. Render sprite. Tier 1 for now. All right, your farmhouse is a pyramid of zeros. Top of the evening to you. Well, an array. My farmhouse is a pyramid of zeros. I'll have to check it out. Which part? This guy? Okay. Close. I actually don't know why that's incorrect. Did I get the offset wrong? Oh, I did get the offset wrong. It's 6. Okay, so I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the code. Okay. It's a long data type. Farmhouse costs 10. Yes. Gotcha. Oh yeah, you like that? Isn't that pretty good? Yep, that's how it's gonna be. If you want to get to level 10, you're paying $1 billion. That's how I've said it right now. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm too sleepy. Okay, I almost got that in the right position. Something's wrong with it. Yeah. Oh, I bet the tier thing, I bet that one's wrong. I don't know. I just realized I had a duplicate there. Well, let's keep going. The next is the value text, which is going to be, oh, let's do coins, actually. Let's do the coins. The coins. What's the offset on the coins? 3, 3. Perfect. So it's going to be 31, 6. Basic coins position 31.6. Plus basic coins position dot x plus basic coins position dot y. So is that going to be in the right spot? It's close. It's close. It's so funny. Like everything's going to need to be tweaked like one off. Like I think the tier needs to be one over. The crop obviously needs to be one up. This I think needs to be one over. And it's because like it's the question is when I gosh, when I say, oh, this needs to be 9 away, is it actually 9 or is it 8? Like position 8, if that makes sense. Or no. Actually, the better example is if I do it, do I do it to here or do I do it to here? Like what's the actual offset? Is it here or is it here? It's hard for me to tell. I think it might be here. Anyway, but let's just get everything in place first. And then I can decide. So the last one is the text position over here, which is going to be, is it drawn from the bottom? I think it's drawn from the bottom. So it'll be 36 and 9. $36. I put 8 here on the last one, so we'll just believe that value. Plus basic value position. There we go. Okay, build that. It crashed. Something's wrong with my hot reload. So there we go. We got it almost there. I do need to change the color of all of these. Yeah, did I mess up? Yeah, so this needs to only have 2 pixels between it, and it definitely has 1, 2, 3 pixels between it right now. So it needs to go up 1. The wheat needs to go up 1. Everything needs to go up 1. 2. Basic count position. So that goes up 1. Basic value position up 1. Basic equal position up 1. Tier. Okay, so I brought it all up 1. Okay, now coin or tier needs to go over 1, I think. Because there really should only be 1 pixel. Oh no, that's correct. So the text needs to go right 1. The coins need to go left 1. Okay, so the count needs to go right 1. The coins go left 1. Coins left 1, perfect. That's good. That's 2. That's 2. This text. Oh wait, where does equals go? I think that's correct. So this text needs to go down. This text needs to go down. Yeah. Okay. So this one, add. What's next? The crop needs to go up. I'm so close. Just need the crop to go up one. -1. Nope. Wrong one. -1. What? There we go. Ta-da! There's the contract. Oh, but I do need to change their color. Also, is this right? So this is on Y19 and this is on Y19. Okay, perfect. Does the equal sign need to go up higher to be more center with the tier background? The problem is the equal sign is 3 tall and everything else is like 6 tall or 12 tall. So it's kind of awkward. I think it'll be fine. Okay, next. Oh yeah, let's turn them black. Turn the text black. There it is. Count. Black. Black. And then the contract text color is also black. Your game will look beautiful on my handheld. I agree. Will it have Linux support? No. It'll be released on Steam though, so if you have Steam, you can use Proton. Wow, that's almost exactly like what I have here. I do need to change the tier sprite though. So sprite equals tier 1 switch crop tier lol. Case 2 tier sprite equals tier 2 break case 3 tier sprite equals tier 3 break. Tier sprite. There we go. Who is Mojo Monkey? 'Tis I. If you are prompting for for some sort of intro, then the answer is father of 2, Android developer by day, game developer by night, or morning in this case. Minecrafter, Pokemon fan, League of Legends addict, One Piece fan. There you go. Okay. And then there is 3. 1, 2, 3 pixels of padding, which is fine. Trying to tag Mojo's wife. Mojo's wife is my wife. So now if I were to add a crop for whatever reason, so like let's go up here. Nope, that's not it. Ah, it scaled. It scaled, baby. I'm so happy. That looks great. I wish I lived your life. Seems like everything is perfect. Oh, yeah. That's never the case. Don't do that. Don't do that. Everything is not perfect. Life is busy. Life is stressful. Everyone feels that. Oh, that's so good. That's so good that I got that contract UI done. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. So next I'm gonna do the select 3. So like it's gonna pop up 3 contracts. I'm using the mouse this time instead of the pen. They're all gonna have a silly name. And then there's gonna be some clauses in here. And I think, so that's kind of what I'm doing over here, is I'm designing a contract that can fit a little bit better. And so I'm gonna do this. Also, I should go. I can't stream anymore. I've overstayed my welcome a little bit. So I gotta go. But hey, I appreciate you, Wesley Hemo, for being here. Yeah, hang in there. And I'll talk to you guys Monday. I'll be streaming again Monday.